Hello, welcome to American School of English Language. Guys, today in this video we will talk about articles. What are articles, what are its types, and why articles matter in English grammars. So before we start, guys, please subscribe my channel so you could receive weekly updates about my channel. So let's see what articles are. Definition. Article identify whether a noun is definite. Definite mean specific or particular, or indefinite. Indefinite mean general or unspecific. For this reason, articles are divided into two categories. So there are two categories of article. One is definite article that includes the. The other category is indefinite articles which include a and an. So let's study each of them individually. The the definite article the is used to identify a person, place, or thing. For instance, I'm looking forward to the game. So this they make the game specific. So there is a specific game that the speaker is looking forward to. Would you pass me the phone? So this they make the phone specific. There is a specific phone that the speaker is asking for. She turned on the lamp next to her bed. So this they make the lamp specific. There is a specific lamp next to her bed that she turned on. He's going to the theater later. There is a specific play that is going to see. So they make the theater specific. But we can also use the to refer to plural nouns where they are being referenced specifically, as in, see, the dogs next door keep me awake with their barking, right? So this means plural, plural dogs. So we use the. She is looking for the papers she printed last night. So this is papers plural. So we use the. I see that the students have already arrived. So the students are plural. So we use the. The same way the poor, we use they with that. The elderly, that's mean plural. So that's how these use with plural nouns. So let's see now the indefinite article. A and an. A and an, on the other hand, are used to identify a person or thing that is unspecific or generic. That means the speaker is now referring to someone or something in particular, or the person or thing may not be specifically known to the speaker. Unlike the, a and an can only be used before singular nouns. So that's what you need to remember. They are only used for singular nouns. And an is used with the nouns that start with the vowel like a, e, I, and u. That's what you need to remember. For instance, I'm looking for a pen. So pen is a singular. There is not a specific pen that the speaker is looking for. So he's just looking for a pen. It does not matter which type of pen is that. If he says the here, that's mean a specific pen. Okay, would you please turn on a light? So there is not a specific light the speaker is asking to be turned on. It could be any light, right? It could be light next to our bed. It could be light in the room, and it could be any light, right? So it's not specific. There is an angry student waiting to speak with you. Okay, although there is a particular student, he or she is unknown to the speaker. So speaker does not know the student, right? As we study in the up there, the person or thing may not be specifically known to the speaker. The here student is not known to the speaker. I am waiting for an answer. There is not one specific answer the speaker is waiting for. So that's how we use for and. So that's it, guys, for today. If you like my video, please share it so other student could learn about article. So just wait for my new video. Thank you very much.